Most people think hackers need advanced tools or genius-level skills to break into accounts. But the truth is much simpler and much scarier. Most attacks don't start with hacking. They start with guessing. Hackers begin with the most common passwords in the world. Things like names, birthdays, pet names, 1 2 3 4 5 6, or even the word password. And surprisingly, these still work. Every single day. Why? Because many people still use easy-to-remember passwords. And even worse, they reuse the same password everywhere. So if one website gets hacked and your password leaks, hackers don't just try that password on the same site. They try it on your email, your social media, your online shopping, even your banking apps. This is called credential stuffing, and it's one of the most common cyber attacks today. Here's the dangerous part. Hackers don't test passwords one by one like in movies. They use automated software that can test millions of stolen passwords in seconds. So if your password has ever been leaked, reused, or easy to guess, your account might already be on their list. And most people never realize it until it's too late. So how do you actually protect yourself? Let's keep this simple. First, stop using personal information in your passwords. That means no names, no birthdays, no phone numbers, no favorite football teams, no simple dictionary words. Because hackers already know how people think, and they build their password lists based on real human behavior. Second, use long passwords. Many people think symbols and numbers are the most important part, but length matters more than complexity. A password like Sun Coffee River Blue Train is much harder to crack than P@SSW0RD. Longer passwords take exponentially more time to break, even for powerful computers. Aim for at least 12 to 16 characters, and longer if possible. Third, never reuse passwords. This is probably the hardest habit to change, but it's also the most important. Your email, banking, social media, and cloud storage should all have completely different passwords. Because once hackers get your email, they can reset passwords on almost everything else. Now here's the problem. No normal human can remember 30 or 50 strong, unique passwords. And that's exactly why password managers exist. A password manager generates strong passwords for you and stores them securely in an encrypted vault. You only need to remember one master password. Popular options include Bitwarden, 1Password, and other trusted password managers. They work on phones, laptops, and browsers, and they can automatically fill in your passwords when you log in. So you get both better security and more convenience. And no, writing passwords in notes or screenshots is not a safe alternative. If your phone gets stolen or infected, all your accounts are exposed instantly. With a password manager, even if someone steals your device, they still can't access your passwords without the master key. One weak password can cost you your photos, your money, your business accounts, or even your identity. Fixing this once can protect you for years. So don't wait until you get hacked to take security seriously. Start with strong, unique passwords. Use a password manager. And protect your most important accounts today. If you want more simple security tips that actually work, check out the other videos on this channel. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.